Imagine waking up early in the morning, picking up your phone, and getting a notification saying you've made over $100 with a direct deposit into your bank account, followed by another notification saying you've earned $337 with a direct deposit into your PayPal account. In today's video, this has become fairly typical for myself and many other people who know the secret to receive daily, if not hourly, notifications like this, and you may be one of us today. This quick video will completely transform your perspective on how to generate money online in ways you've never seen before. I'll show you 5 free programs that'll do this for you automatically without much effort on your part. They're all absolutely free, requiring no credit card or investment. This works in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, the Philippines, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, and Vietnam, among many other countries. So, stay tuned and watch until the end to learn about all 5 apps, since the more apps you use, the more money you'll make. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. The first app I'll show you is Instagc, which you can get at instagc.com. You can earn a lot of money by simply downloading it for free on your phone. This also works on iOS and Android, and when you go to the Instagc Facebook page, you can see the company's name and logo, and they'll even show you all the payment proof in their Facebook page and be completely honest about it. As you can see here, congratulations on redeeming a $50 gift card. You can see the actual payment, and when I click on the next button, you can see that another guy redeemed $100 PayPal money and another $100 direct transfer into their bank account. If you don't have a PayPal or a bank account, you can exchange your money for a free Amazon gift card. I could go on and on, citing hundreds of thousands of examples, but you can see for yourself on their Facebook page. Here you can see that you can earn points for activities you currently do online. For example, you can take some basic surveys and get rewarded simply by clicking a few buttons. If you have 10 or 20 minutes every day, you can just explore the internet, browse different websites, and search on Google, and you will be paid for every minute you spend doing so, and more importantly, I prefer watching videos to any other method. This is one of my favorites since all you have to do is hit the play button and the video will play. Plus, you can open many tabs to view multiple videos at once. Additionally, while watching the videos, you can take surveys or search the web, and this is how you can generate multiple streams of income from a single app. If you're gonna download and install this app, you can also join the Instagc using Facebook, Twitter, or Google, or you can just enter your login password and email address and click this button to sign up and gain 10 points for free. Okay, let's move on to the second app, which is called App Karma. You can earn rewards by playing with this app, and it's completely free. You don't have to spend any money, and the greatest part is that they operate on both iOS and Android. You can redeem your points earned through this app into PayPal or top brand gift cards. All you have to do is click this button to download App Karma to your phone, and after you do, you'll be able to collect 300 points for free, with every 100 point equaling $1. That is, they will give you $3 without you doing anything. Additionally, you may also refer other users to this app if you want to multiply your earnings and make more money on appkarma.io. Simply share your invite link and referral code, and you'll get 30% off whatever your referrals earn. For example, if you suggest one person and they earn $100, you'll receive $30 without having to do anything. This app is amazing because you can just download it for free and earn passive income. All you have to do is log in to this app. As you can see, simply logging onto this app will earn you daily rewards, so make sure to check in every day. Furthermore, every time you complete a task, they will award you with different badges, and all of these badges will assist you in leveling up. Basically, you can increase your reward level every time you earn all of these badges, which will save you 12.5% on the bonus and allow you to literally multiply your earnings. For example, if you earn $100, you can instantly increase your earnings to $125 by merely applying those badges, which is absolutely insane. So make sure to look through all of the achievement badges and collect as many as you can to boost your profits. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Moving on to the third app, I'd like to show you Cashkick, which you can find at Cashkick.com. Cash is the most valuable reward on this website. They effectively deposit all of the money into your account, and they can do so by bank transfer or PayPal. You can do surveys, find different great deals, watch videos, and surf the web on this website. This is almost the same as Instagc, but they will pay you even more money. Here, I want you to focus on watching videos because that will pay you the most money. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is just put in your email address and password and click on the button to get started. Okay, so let's move on to app number 4. This app is called SuperPay. You can go to superpay.me. Basically, you can make money online with free paid surveys today. They have a really fast payment within 24 hours, you can receive your money, and they have a really low cash out threshold, and you can work from home. If you want to join today for free, you can easily get 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. You can participate in various surveys and complete other offers, and you can cash out your profits in a variety of ways. PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Skrill, and Bitcoins are just a few examples. Take a look at this. They're very open about all the payment proof. You can view all of the members' names or usernames, as well as all of their payments. Most of them use PayPal to cash out, and you can see the earnings of $5, $8, $19, and $10 over and over. So all you have to do is click on this button to join free today, and it'll take you to the website that says register in 30 seconds. Simply enter your personal information and email address below, and they will welcome people from all around the world. You can submit your payment information here so they can pay you once you accomplish all the tasks. Read the terms and conditions, click I'm not a robot, and create a free account. Now we'll go on to the final app, SmartApp, which you can find at smartapp.io. You can install and download this app for free on your phone and start receiving money every month without doing anything. And they have received a lot of positive feedback and testimonies from people all around the world. So basically, you join up for a free account and do a few simple surveys to ensure that you are accepted. After that, if you qualify, you can download and install this app for free, and all you have to do is keep the device linked. Make sure you turn on your phone every day and you'll get free money on your phone. Now, if you want to download this app and sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this button that says I'd like to sign up, and you'll be taken to a website where you can complete a short survey. Once you've met the requirements, you can download this app to your phone and start earning money without having to do anything. You can download the software for free on your phone again and again to make passive income. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.